Well, as you well know, the Can-Am Ryker rallies or the Rykers themselves don't have wheel caps on their hubs, so I decided to go ahead and get one of these Faucet hole covers from Lowe's. They're 1.5 inch from Danco. So what I'll probably do is scrape it up a little bit and then paint it. Use it as temporary caps for the meantime until I can find some good real caps for the hubs themselves. So I'll get this all prepped up and then do a couple coats on it, and then I'll place it on the wheels themselves, and I'll show you the finished product. I'll be using the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer, so this should work. A couple of coats of these should make that cover, that chrome cover, a little black. Now that I cleaned it up a little bit with alcohol, so to get it all prepped up for the paint, I'll go ahead and start spraying this. Just let it dry out. Well, as you can see, the caps fits in nicely in there, and it makes it a lot better looking without that big old hole in the hub. So this is your do-it-yourself kit. Easy temporary fix for now until I can get some good caps for it.